Get ready for a financial game changer since XRP is skyrocketing in value and might reach $1,650 to $2,900 by 2024's end. This is founded on a significant advancement, not only exciting hyperbole. This dark horse, the same titan of finance who introduced a successful Bitcoin exchange traded fund, is gearing up to introduce an XRP ETF, moving its expertise to XRP. And it has an outstanding track record of approval for nearly all of its ETF proposals. Rock's groundbreaking foray into XRP isn't limited to BlackRock alone either. Making Waves Grayscale is joining the market by adding XRP to their cryptocurrency portfolio, and is also proposing an XRP ETF. Important points: the growing influence of Ripple Labs and XRP on the global payment industry. And thank you for visiting our comprehensive XRP resource. A little review of BUS is in order before we go into it. Please help me out by clicking the like button, then subscribe, and finally, notify me. Bell to join our amazing community, and a little heads up. We're preparing for a fantastic XRP giveaway as we near the 60,000 subscriber milestone. Just follow these 3 simple actions to join the prize. To secure your spot, be alert and ready, and don't forget to leave a comment. Discover what's new today as we delve into the intriguing world of XRP. BlackRock, the undisputed leader in asset management, has an impeccable track record when it comes to approving exchange-traded funds. Their practically perfect track record for cryptocurrency and Web 3.0 investments demonstrates how the traditional finance sector perceives digital currencies. Their exceptional market acumen is on full display in their exchange-traded funds. For instance, BlackRock is unrivaled in the ETF space with a staggering 99.8% ETF approval rate. Gaining a grasp of the overall situation is critical here. BlackRock and JP Morgan aren't the only big banks that have been examining XRP. These giants have put over 7.5% of their money into XRP, according to reports that have been leaked and aggressively gathered. According to a recent well-researched article, BlackRock is considering shifting their focus from Bitcoin to XRP, which would be a major shift in their investment strategy. This action indicates an increasing the rise in value of XRP has increased the likelihood of a BlackRock-based XRP ETF. But that's not all. News of an XRP ETP has emerged. And while its originator is a mystery, this is a major step in the direction of an ETF. Despite the XRP ETP introduction, reports suggest it is still in the in addition. There have been whispers that an XRP ETF will be unveiled at the same time as the ETP. Would mark the introduction of both products at the same time. In addition to being logical, this simultaneous release emphasizes how far along the road to the ETF we are, which might come as little as a few weeks following the debut of a Bitcoin ETF. There is currently no estimated worth for the pre-release period, but its unveiling is imminent. In light of the fact that Bitcoin's price increased to $43,000 prior to the debut of its ETF, XRP has tremendous potential. When XRP ETF launches, its value has the potential to skyrocket, perhaps reaching $1,650 or perhaps $2,500. But don't believe me, this isn't as far-fetched as it seems. ETP is operational at this time. Few people realize this, but financial behemoth Video has officially introduced the XRP exchange-traded product. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is likely to approve an XRP ETF soon, so there will be a quick transition to create one. A study leaked from BlackRock suggests that an XRPF might be in the works, as mentioned in yesterday's story. Disclosure hinted at a possible XRP ETF registration. A prominent BlackRock analyst has publicly confirmed the introduction of a BlackRock ETF tailored to XRP, adding to the frenzy. They even brazenly proceeded to this as a huge deal, and it shows that XRP market position is about to undergo a dramatic upheaval, maybe even bigger than the ETF filing. The iShares XRP Trust was my first skepticism, but after doing my own research, I saw that it appears on the website of the Delaware list of corporations. Recent developments in the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund. Recent studies have shown that institutional investors are getting involved with cryptocurrencies, with BlackRock and JP Morgan buying over 7.5 million XRP each. Along with their XRP stockpiling, BlackRock is at the forefront of this movement by using the XRP ledger in their activities and, most importantly, proceeding with the public introduction of an XRP ETF. The XRP ETF has excellent odds of being approved because BlackRock has an almost perfect track record of F approvals, a target price of $983,000. With XRP, an XRP coin's value is likely to increase when the Republic of Palau's central bank develops its digital currency on the XRP ledger. This situation is a textbook example of strong demand, limited supply, and high volume. Some think my hope for XRP is naive, and this is a subject that's been going around lately. While I agree with them, I'd like to counter with this instead. This hope has my full support. That is some potent stuff. I'm going to light it, wrap it up into a large one, and take a long breath. When you're clinging on during tough times, I think hope is a lifeline. I don't see a problem with you if you don't think hope exists and consider it just wishful thinking. Let's support each other, even though it's unfortunate. It would be like pouring money into thin air if we settled for anything less, and that is not our goal. Thinking of upbeat things, I'm loving the lively debates and different points of view here. It really gets my brain working. Regarding institutions and XRP, one interesting thing was said. They don't have to buy XRP, but you can also choose to lease it. Isn't that something worth thinking about? And thus I pondered the consequences of XRP being bought solely by retail investors. In my pursuit of greater information, I even went so far as to query ChatGPT about the daily transaction volume of the SWIFT system. Impressively, the response exceeded $1 trillion. And it's important to note that this is just global trade that does not take into account the potential quadrillion-dollar market for XRP, together with smart contracts, NFT, and tokenized assets, such as real estate. But because this is Swift's specialty, let's ignore everything else and concentrate on global trade. Imagine for a second that we split that $7 trillion in half. What would happen if XRP, the system, would need to keep $3 trillion within it for that day with its 1,700 connections? Yes, Ripple and XRP have set a high benchmark here. If we were to manage just $3 trillion every day, given XRP's extensive network, it's not surprising that its value will rise. In this case, it might push the token price above $150. Pretend that some of these links will put money into it. In continuation of our previous discussion, it is possible that values will rise above $150 once the system is functioning, regardless of whether institutions want to lease or buy. This becomes much then evident if XRP controls 50% of this market. If it supports all possible bank transfers, we're talking token prices well above $100. Relax and enjoy this concept. It may be helpful to relax with a drink while you take in all the possibilities presented by this hopey